So first I want to unbox this package. It's a gadget that I received from K&L shop. This is Grace. She deals with so many stuff. She's the one who sold me this electric pressure cooker, and lately she's been selling Tupperware, and this is a manual. Okay, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so this is all we have from the pieces. I want to assemble it, and then I show you how it should be working, or what I imagine it to be doing for me. But it's a very highly recommended kitchen gadget. It does not use electricity. It's a manual gadget, and this is blades. I'll show you closely. This is a bowl. It's about 1.2 liters. I think that's good enough. And then this looks like the top part. Yes, something like that. Looks like, yeah, I'll need to lock it in like that, and then like this. Is there anywhere shaking? That was pretty simple. Then this funnel goes somewhere here when I need to use it, and then the blades are what we use from inside. This is also another blade. This is not a blade, but a whisk attachment, and it works like a whisk. I hope that I will be able to show you how it works very soon. And this is the safety place for placing the what is it called? The blades. And this is a safety cord. Which side should be outside? I believe it. This is the grip, yeah. This is to help with the grip down here. Then this is the blade. It comes in attached here, and it's safely locked there to make it safe. And they say that the blade is very, very sharp. I should be very careful when handling it. So that's it. I want to return it how it was before I clean it. And then this is a whisk, yeah. I was being told it works like a whisk. And it's pretty simple. There's a protrusion here that is allowing actually these things to hook, yeah. You see what I mean? That protruded part. So when you begin to put it, that's how it will work. So in essence, if I am using this, I just need to lock it there. I need to come and put this in and lock it. Then I come and lock that in. I believe it is safely secured. And assuming I have my ingredient inside, I'll just need to pull like this and work it down. So in case you're wondering what are the benefits of owning this priceless gadget, let me take a moment and just take you through it. Now, Tupperware is a very established company globally, and they sell very high quality plasticware, or their plastic is refined, it's different. Yeah, you can read about it all over in the internet. But why I went for this gadget particularly, it's because first, it is going to be just a simple gadget that does not use electricity. or is not powered by anything. Just using this technology of the pulley, it's able to achieve the results. It is also very easy to clean, and the kind of plastic that is used does not retain the smells from what you cut. For example, if I cut an onion here and I clean it, it will be very easy and it will not leave smells upon smells. Yeah. The other thing why I highly recommend this gadget, it's because this company supports you for the lifetime. You will have this gadget for the lifetime. I mean, if this jar accidentally is old, like it's old, it's scarred, the blade maybe it's not working, or something just falls out of place, imagine they are going to replace it for me. That is just how it works. So a lifetime guarantee is telling you that these products are superior and they are going to be making my work very easy. I also blend a lot of my ingredients. I blend my tomatoes, I blend my horse, I blend most of the things that I use. I find myself using the blender or having to work on them, like, just what I'm trying to do here. So it's going to sort me big deal. So now it was a moment to test how this is going to work. And this is a very first thing that I tried out. I put in my white onions and I wanted now to see whether it's going to cut them up and cube them just in a very, simple style as I've been seeing in the videos. So this was a moment, and here I was. Let's see how it goes, because if it works, we are good to go. If it needs something else, I'll also tell you what. So you pull that pulley. Yeah, we did physics and it was telling us pulley technique. This is how it comes to real life. Yeah. So to center the ingredients, you shake it like that. Shake, 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 shake. Then it will ensure that what is not cut goes down. Yes. Imagine, like I pulled it 6 times. I think we can count that. You can rewind and we count that. And you will be shocked. You will be shocked. Wait and see. Wait for it. There it goes. Yes, I discovered the onions were white and you were not seeing them properly. So I will show you in a minute. I'm going to show you how they look, and I'm happy. I'm happy if I can do this by just pulling this 6 times. Oh, thank you so much, Grace of K&L Shop, for plugging me with this gadget. And I'm going to go for the small one so that I can also be able to blend up my ginger and garlic. So immediately it is restocked, I am going to look for her so that I can be able. There it goes. I am happy. I am looking forward to showing you how this is even going to work in the future videos. Thank you so much.